on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
AUDIOZONE here with another day, another video. Always thanking you guys for the support. First of all, man, God is good. Done great things. Today we got a special build. The guy who won the raffle from REELTOREAL on the box Chevy, he brought it into the shop to get an alarm system installed in the unit with the GPS tracker because he lives in New York. So he brought the car to us today. I'm gonna introduce you to her. Y'all probably seen her on Reels channel, but this beautiful old school right here, we're gonna get on it right now and start doing an alarm system from Compustar with the drone GPS tracker to get this car situated for him as soon as possible so he can have security. At this point in time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start disassembly. I'm gonna do this one on my own. I'm gonna start disassembly of this car, just start installing the Compustar alarm system to it with the GPS tracker, remote start to it, and have this ready for Jordan. So stay tuned if we start doing this alarm for the REELTOREAL Caprice. This is what we're doing for this young man on this beautiful car from REELTOREAL. We're going to be installing the drone GPS tracker with the Compustar 2WQ900AS. Automatic start, 3,000 feet, range and remote control, unlimited range with the drone. So that means you'll be able to lock, unlock the car, remote start the car, and track the car and know everything that's going on with the car, right with this package going onto this car. So to get this going, these are old school, so they're a little bit different. I am going to start disassembling the center dash area. Got to get the door locks. I'm going to check some other stuff for him to get this car going. But this is where I'm going to begin on this car. While I'm working on the beautiful car from REELTOREAL the giveaway, I got a very special guest to introduce. This is my niece, man. I haven't seen her. I can't even tell you how many years. It's my brother's daughter. It's the oldest daughter. She's the oldest, period. Her name is Kaysla, and she came and popped up on me in the shop, so I'm very excited. What do you want to tell YouTube today?
Don't post this. Don't post this.
It's going posted. You're going to be on YouTube. And now tell everybody, what's your name for the camera?
Rosemary.
What's Rosemary? But you got to talk louder because they understand you.
Rosemary, because I love my mommy.
Oh, I'm glad you love your mommy. I love you. And what is your name?
I'm Carousel.
Oh my God. So you like, what is this here?
This is Transformer. Do you have it's a
Power Ranger.
Power Ranger.
And what if I want to keep it? Can I have it?
No, that's mine.
Okay, I'll let you have it. And what is your name for the channel?
Michael. They used to call me Nathan.
Nathan, because now my question for you is going to be, what do you love? You love cars, because you've been going crazy. You were looking at the Scat Pack, you're looking at the E, you're looking at the Mustang, you're looking at the Dong, you're looking at the Dodge. Which is your favorite car here?
Right there.
The Dodge Viper, and boom, Grandpa just pulled in.
You use that what?
I'm a YouTuber.
How you doing, Mama? You're a girl or your work. Whatever you say, you do.
I'm so happy to see her, y'all. So there's a lot of history there, so it's a great thing to have her here, man. Have them here enjoying the shop, seeing cars, what Uncle does. This is what I do. Show them the Viper, show them what's going on here, man. So it's very, very, very a great thing, y'all. But I got to get back to work, so stay tuned. We got Mr. Jordan just walked in. Jordan, tell everybody who you are, what's the name of your channel, what's going on. Got that camera in his hand, I see that.
Sir. JHill_TV is my YouTube, and follow along the journey, the
Follow
Caprice.
the journey. There could be the Caprice from the journey. This is his girlfriend / future wife / they're gonna have a baby in this car soon. Yeah, we talked about that on their vlog. So you already got your vlog going on. You're gonna start editing, getting things out there on the content. They got 2 cameras, not 1. They're not playing around. But it could be this is a journey. So I'm gonna show you what you're getting done. So you know exactly.
Went to bed, I almost kind of forgot. Like, not forgot, but like...
Well, the transporter called. They're gonna pick up the car today between 5 to 6 o'clock. So the car be
My flight's
here.
at like 7:30.
Yeah, the car be out of here by 5, 6 o'clock, and they said they'll have it between Saturday to Sunday delivered to you. So you better take it. But this is your Compustar. It's a 2-way remote start security system. It's drone compatible. That is a drone GPS. 3,000 feet range on the remote control, unlimited range on the unit itself. It's gonna give you, of course, the capacity to lock the car, unlock the car, remote start the car, GPS track the car, and know everything that's going on. So if she tries to key your car, you're gonna know what's going on. But this is where we're at right now. So I started disassembling of the vehicle. So start getting all the wiring done and start getting all the stuff situated for her to get the unit back together and rolling for y'all to pick up your car and take it out to New York. Could be the first one in New York. I was talking to Mod to Fame. He was saying that could be a rare car in New York because it's not a big thing out there. So it's definitely going to be a unique
I'm
car.
up. I got 100 subscribers, but I'm up. I'm on the way.
Keep on trucking, man. Keep on
24
trucking.
hours, I got 100. I'm done, man.
No, that's not bad at all. That's really not bad. I mean, you know, you have a big build because it's a known car, so you're definitely gonna have a great journey of building this bad boy and getting her going. So I'm gonna get to rocking and rolling. Y'all stay tuned. Cruise. At this point in time, I couldn't show y'all the whole install, but I got the install done. Alarm is completely hidden. You can't see nothing. You ain't gonna find nothing. The only thing I got is these door lock wires here, which are gonna be to control his door locks. But I made it where you ain't finding nothing. I got the alarm installed, about to run the sirens and stuff like that, and get this car situated. Do the door locks real quick, get the sirens done. I got door triggers done, all that's done. We should have this car getting ready for delivery very shortly. Stay tuned. We got the box done. I'm gonna kind of walk through what we've done. We got the lock. She locks the doors. We got the unlock. Doors are open. We got the door triggers, hood triggers, trunk pin switches, of course the remote start. That should do the remote start. Pin switcher for the hood, trunk. The car is fully secured, y'all. I'm really grateful for it, so we're gonna definitely be a big build for the young man. He's gonna get to enjoy this car and have a good time out of New York. I'm gonna go up front and deliver this car to him and just let him enjoy his ride, man. He's going out to New York with a different kind of car, different scene from New York, so it could be definitely an eye turn to New York. Stay tuned. Crew, at this point in time, Mr. Jordan is about to take his flight back to New York. We got Jay. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Jordan.
J Hill _TV.
We're going to get this right. J Hill _ TV on YouTube. And your Instagram?
J Hill, JH1LL.
I'm 45, y'all.
JH1. LL, the number.
JH1LL. Go find him, man. Don't forget to get on him. Follow the man. This is gonna be something really crazy for him. Real already dropped this video. I don't know if he's dropped this video yet, but it's the delivery of the vehicle. And reality, I messed up on that video from what I heard because I thought they invested X amount of money, but they ended up investing. So you did 4, she did 475, and you actually won it. So you've done a lot of raffles before.
A lot.
Never won.
That was the most I've done, but I usually do like 100 every time.
So my question is, when you found out that you were the winner of this car, what was your reaction?
I was screaming, lost my voice.
Was he screaming?
Almost tears of joy. I don't know, it was a lot. It was a lot.
Are you gonna get that happy when she says she's pregnant?
Yeah.
You better, because if you don't, you got a problem, brother.
I'm gonna get even happier.
Yeah, you know what? That's a man on the video. I don't know if I said on Reel, but I know on his that car where they're gonna produce their first baby. And that's it. So you're taking this car off to New York. It's not we were talking with Mod yesterday. This car's not. They don't do this in New York.
Yeah, no.
So you're gonna have a really one-off car. And it could be great content as he got the car. Yes, Real did the LS, but there's a lot of things he can be doing on his own, bringing it to his specs, to his liking, to his thing. He's got the, like, walk you through the build. I mean, you know what I'm saying? You guys, I know you guys seen it in Reels, but it's a beautiful Caprice. I remember when this car came here the first time and it was orange. And everything that's been done to this car. Real got the car painted, got the top painted. He's gonna get the wax done. He's gonna get this car cleaned up. Right now, it's missing the wet sanding and the buffing. I guarantee that. Big face, 4G autos, guys. He thought it was 24. They're 26s. 26s in here with the big face 4G auto floating cap. That's money right there. Then of course he has a beautiful Caprice. On top of that, it's clean inside and out, and he owns it now with the title. He got title in hand. This is his car. They're picking up today from the delivery, and he's taking this home. So stay tuned to Jay Hill on YouTube. Stay tuned to him on Instagram as you get to see everything that he's going to start doing on this build and making it his custom car that he won on a raffle. For y'all that doubt raffles,
can't win unless you enter. Only way.
No guts, no glory, no chance. Everybody thinks they're fake. They're not fake. They're real. People just get mad because you don't always win. You won.
I lost many times.
So you won, and the next day you were here.
Next day.
Like he ate, bro. He didn't sleep that night.
Nah.
That day he won. He was here next day.
Next morning.
And then he brought it to us, and we got the Compustar for him for the security. So now we know he's secure with the drone and everything secured in his vehicle. I just showed him how to use his drone on his phone, remote controls. He's pretty much ready to go, man. He's gonna get to go enjoy himself and enjoy his car, man. What do you want to tell the camera if we close out this video?
I appreciate you. Thank you for everything that you've done. We're gonna be back. I'm gonna see you again soon.
YouTuber call out April.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna be there. I'm coming.
I know. He just started his channel, so you already hit 100 subscribers in a matter of...
Past 100, yeah, 105, something like that.
105, how long?
24 hours, a little less.
Less than 24 hours. Yeah. Bro, 100, there are people that ain't got 100 subscribers in 6 months,
yeah,
bro. So you're, listen, you're ahead of the game.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Trying is no. You can't say trying.
We're doing it.
There you go. Mental. If you give yourself the option of being able to fail, you'll fail. Right. When you give yourself the chance of no return, you won't. I'm gonna make this happen. It's gonna work. You know what I'm saying? If it was easy, everybody would do it. There's gonna be obstacles. There can be a lot of things, man, that you're gonna go through. I'm one of my own. I'm preaching to myself because I busted myself for the first year. I hit 10K in 1 year. That was amazing. And then I kind of got comfortable and then started dealing with the house and we moved and everything that happened and I kind of slowed down because this takes a lot of time.
When I first started watching you, Real was trying to get you to make videos again.
Real was, he was like, Jeff, you got to get back on it. And I just, bro, we got to move to the shop. I haven't had time to even get the shop back in order. You know what I'm saying? It's been a lot going on, but I got to give y'all the dedication because y'all deserve it. So I will be back full-fledged, at least 3 videos a week and showing you what's going on in the shop. This one's getting signed, sealed, delivered today. Jordan on his way back to New York. Jay,
thank you.
On my behalf, it was a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
I know it's your wifey, but I'm gonna give her a hug. It was a pleasure. I hope to see you guys soon. You got my cell phone number directly. You can call me for anything. You know what I'm saying? Whatever happens, the only rule you have, Jay, and he got his hand paralyzed. That's on his video. Y'all gonna watch that one, initiation. But
yeah,
the only rule, you watched it for yourself, huh?
I saw it.
Are you gonna put it out there?
I don't know. Maybe.
Bro,
I might.
Listen,
a short clip.
That's a trademark.
Maybe a short.
A short, but that's a trademark, man.
No, it is. I'm mad I got caught. I've seen it before. That's why I'm mad. That's not the first time I saw it.
The only rule you have, if you're driving the car, you see any smoke come out the dash, get out, call 911, your car's on fire. Keep full coverage on it at all times. I'm playing. But keep full coverage on her, man. You got a beautiful thing. When it comes to the insurance, make sure you register everything you got because the insurance don't play you out. The wheels, they're X amount of money. The LS swap, because if anything ever happens to the car, you want to make sure you're insured.
They're going to just do it a base 87.
No, this is not a base 87. This has a lot of money in it. When you get this car shined and powdered and everything that you do to this car, man, I'm telling you right now, I'm going to see him taking photos up there by...
Yeah, like that.
You know, but it's definitely going to be a good thing, man. So I'm going to end this video. I was thanking y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.